In this video, I will be comparing Linux Mint and Debian, two important Linux distributions that share a connection but serve different audiences. Mint is built on Ubuntu, which itself is built on Debian. While Debian is known for being the foundation of many other distros and for its rock-solid stability, Linux Mint focuses on being beginner-friendly and ready to use out of the box. So let's look at what each one does and who they are best for. So first, what do they do and who they are for? Linux Mint is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, especially for people new to Linux or coming from Windows. It offers three versions, Cinnamon, Mate and XFCE, with Cinnamon being the main edition. It's aimed at users who want a simple desktop operating system that works immediately without lots of setup. Debian is one of the oldest and most influential Linux distributions. It emphasizes stability, freedom, and community-driven development. Debian powers countless servers and also serves as the upstream base for Ubuntu and many other distros. It's best for advanced users, developers, or system administrators who want a rock-solid, highly configurable system. So now I'll go over their key features in more depth. Linux Mint includes a familiar desktop layout with a start menu, taskbar, and system tray. It includes pre-installed multimedia codecs and essential apps like Firefox, LibreOffice, and media players. It includes an update manager designed to make updates safe and easy for non-technical users, and a focus on ease of use with most everyday tasks requiring no extra setup. Debian includes a huge software repository with thousands of free and open source packages, multiple installation options from minimal setups to full desktop environments like GNOME, KDE or XFCE. It has a stability-first philosophy which makes it a favorite for servers and production systems, and it has a slower release cycle which prioritizes reliability over having the latest software. So in terms of the experience and workflow, Linux Mint feels familiar and straightforward. It's designed to get you working right away with multimedia support and everyday applications already in place. It's great for general use, browsing, office work, media, and even light gaming. Debian feels more bare bones, especially if you choose a minimal installation. It gives you the flexibility to build exactly the system you want, but that also means more manual setup. It shines for users who value control and stability over convenience. So which one should you choose? First, I would go with Linux Mint if you are new to Linux and want a system that's ready immediately, if you prefer a traditional desktop that feels familiar to Windows, or if you want a balance of stability and modern software without extra effort. On the other hand, I would choose Debian if you want maximum stability and long-term reliability, if you are comfortable configuring your system manually, and if you plan to use Linux for servers development or as a foundation to build on, I would also go with Debian. So that concludes this comparison of Linux Mint versus Debian. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.